Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It's about 9:15 in the morning. I'm up here for the first time this year on the Lackawaxen. And we saw fish rising downstream, but that's pretty. I saw them rising right now just between you and that rock bar down there. So we see it rising down there, but it's really deep down there. So I don't know if we can access that. So we're up here in the shallower water. There's big blue-winged olives coming off, big, size 14, and there's dark caddis coming off, almost like a black caddis, and then there's smaller caddis too. So I don't want to go out too far, and I got a Davy McPhail size 14 clink hammer parachute emerger, which can imitate both caddis and mayfly. So that's why I started out with that. I see some smaller mayflies hopping on the water, like size 18s. So we're just gonna try here first. We'll search, see what kind of oh my God, I don't want to go out too far because these fish can, in this shallow, there's the riff up there. Then we got nice braided water down here. I think they're in this shallow water too. Boom. Okay, guy, Ryan's able to cross. Does it get deep? I mean, I still got a decent cast, but not that bad. Okay, let's see, guys. We're out near these risers now. I came downstream. Let's just see how this goes. They're not rising consistently. Just one here, one there, one here, one there. So boom. There he goes. Took it. On top. There we go. Took it on top. Let's see what we got here. Come on, buddy. Reel up some more line. Come on. Looks like about a 13-incher. Nice. There you go. Nice fat 13-inch rainbow. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Okay, see how wide they are here? Very similar to a Delaware fish. I said that before in past. Okay, so let's go. Nice. Oh, he's out already. Good. Okay, hold on. There you go. Beautiful. Wind's blowing downstream in our face. Come on, get over there. Boom. Blew it right back. Oh, we got him. Got him. Yo, Rye. In close to shore. Oh, we got off. Nice. Oh, one just rose over there. Downstream of you, about 20 yards over towards, if I'm looking at that doorway over there. Okay, guys, we changed our spot. And oh, house over there. And underneath, going underneath, going underneath. There he goes, first cast in. First cast in underneath, Rye. On the Hendrickson soft tackle with a copper bead. Look at that boy jump. Look at that boy jump. Hendrickson soft tackle with a copper bead. Nice. Oh, geez, he rose right here. I saw one rise too. Look how fat these fish are always, every year. They are so fat. You're out. I think they're out. They sure are. Go. Okay. A fish rose like 3 feet away from me. Boom. Keep you guys on, keep you guys on. Yeah, it's still good. Boom. There he goes. Right, I'll give you one of these Hendrickson soft tackles. I got another one on it. I have it as my last fly. These fish get so much to eat up here. They get so fat. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Right there. Okay guys, Ryan picked up his second one up there, right along the bank. I added another split shot and put the La Fontaine pupa emerger on, bubble pupa emerger, and with a bead. So I still got the Hendrickson soft tackle on. Oh, I don't know if I missed him or what that was. I didn't think I was that heavy. There he goes. Oh, wow, wait, that was a wide fish. he took my fly. Oh, just had one break me off. One broke me off. He was wide. Dang. Ay, 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 ay. Okay guys, that fish broke me off, took my bottom two flies. So I got a Hendrickson soft tackle on again, but this one does not have a bead. Have it as my last fly. I still have the La Fontaine pupa emerger on as my middle fly because that has a bead. And then I got a green olive perdigon on up top. So let's see how that works out. A flashy, this is a flashy dark olive green perdigon. Oh, I hope these, I hope they're fish, but I don't know if they're rocks or fish. There he goes, that's a fish. Right. Okay, Rye just got into his third. He got two of his on the blue perdigon. I got mine on the Hendrickson soft tackle. And this is the one without the bead. Heavy current here. I got 5X on. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Jeez, oh man. Only landed half my fish. Great hook. Must have been just barely hooked. Hey guys, I'm going to put this up a little higher. I'll put a regular blue perdigon on. Okay, so let's see. I thought that was a hit. May have been, I don't know. Boom. There he goes. There he goes. See what he is on. He's on the Hendrickson soft tackle. Every fish underneath was on the Hendrickson soft tackle. And that's something. Either with a bead or without a bead. Come on, fishing. Okay. Nice. Woo. This one looks more and more recent stock. Doesn't have the bright silver colors and the fatness of the other ones. But I thank him because he took my fly. Hey guys, just walking out here, casting down the nymphing rig. Picked up this boy. Don't know what he's on yet. He whacked it good. I think he's on. I don't see my top fly. I think he's on the blue Poconos with silver bead. Yes, he is on the blue Poconos. Rainbows, 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 they fight so good. Okay, right there. Nice, nice, nice. Gold on the blue. Okay, let him go. Don't even touch him. Don't even touch him. And this is the blue Poconos I always use. Okay, there you go. Okay. Rise up there. Jay's down there. There he goes. There he goes. On the swing. Okay, okay. He is on the Hendrickson soft tackle again. This guy's not big. Oh, brownie. Got a brownie, got a brownie. Nice. Nice brownie. Pretty brownie. Pretty brownie. Okay. There we go. All right. Hey. Okay, released that brownie, and I took my LaFontaine people off and put a yellow Poconos. There he goes. Let's see what this guy's on. I don't know, but That last brownie was on the Hendrickson soft tackle. Let's see what this one's on. He's on the Hendrickson soft tackle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's actually my own tie too. Oh, there he goes. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Let's check that hook out. I'm sure it's fine. If I get to play him like that much and get him up to me, I'm good. So it's got a dark brown shuck, or a brownish shuck. Dun hen hackle. It's got a gray thorax and a cranberry mix at the Delaware River Club dark mahogany spectrumized blend, and it's got a copper rib. So that spectrumized blend is for the body, the abdomen. Oh, that was close and in a rock. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. On the swing, on the swing. Oh, nice jump. Okay. On the Hendrickson soft tackle. Jeez, where is he going? He's fighting weird. He might be foul hooked. Which, oh jeez, oh man. It's not even that big. Yeah, he's foul hooked. So let's get him up. Come on, get up here. Brownie, 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 brownie. There he goes. Stocky brownie, stocky brownie. Okay, let me take him out. There he goes. Oh, there he goes. These fishies are getting off. I was actually very late on that hit. I thought it was a rock and not a fishy. There he goes. I wasn't late on that one. Nice jump. Nice jump. I think this is on the blue perdigon. So it's our second one on the blue perdigon. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let me see how quick I can get him out. There you go. There you go. Thank you, thank you. And there's that blue perdigon again. Silver bead, peacock collar. Okay. There he goes, there he goes. He whacked it. Okay. He brought life back into us. And this guy is on the new olive caddis soft tackle. Nice rainbow. There he goes, nice wide. Got some of them nice fat ones. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, kick him off. Okay. See if we can do that again. There we go. Jeez, oh man. See if we can do that again. That fishy was listening to me. On the same fly again. The olive soft tackle with the shuck. Oh, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Okay. Show you that fly, show you that fly, that's okay. So it's olive, it's got a dark partridge hackle and a little gold tan antron shuck coming after it, size 16. There you go.
You're not catching any though. You got 3.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, you got 3. You went from 1 to 3. What'd you get him on?
What? What else?
You know, he would never catch a fish unless he had a green fuzzy.
There he goes.
There you go. Okay, we'll see you later maybe.
Okay. You too. I don't know if I have this on. I do have it on. That old conversation. Okay. There you go. There you go, there you go. Pretty, pretty silver boy. Okay. My drift is getting screwed up by. Get over there. If I can hold it up over. Oh, the heck is that? An eel? That was either an eel or a, I don't know, it looked like an eel. Yeah, I think it was like 25 inches. That thing was huge. Or a bowfin, or maybe it was a snakehead. I don't know, man. That was an eel. That was the fattest eel I've ever seen. I don't think that was an eel. That looked more like a fish. But it swam like a snake. Oh, jeez. Where the heck is he going? That's a nice fish. He stays on. How he's hooked. I am betting this guy is tangled up. Because he's fighting really weird. Yep, he is. There he is. Yep. Yep. Jeez. Unreal. Okay. Yep. Not even that big, but super wide. Looks like a holdover rainbow. Just beautiful. I mean, his fins are perfect. He could be coming up from the Delaware too. These fishies. Wide fish. Man, that fish is only 12 inches, but look how wide he is. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I added a little bit more weight. This is deeper here, and I took a split shot off and I put it right back on again. So I got a number 1 and a number 4 on. And oh, there he goes. He whacked it. Man, he ripped it. I think he is on. I want to say, I think he's on the blue perdigon. Nice brownie. I think he's on a blue perdigon. I added another split shot just to get it down. Come on. Nice. Come here. Okay. There you go. Good 14, 15 inches. Blue perdigon right in his mouth right there. Okay. We'll get him out. Okay guys, I changed my rig around. I got a hare's ear soft hackle. Caddis emerger, still the blue perdigon, and then I got an olive perdigon salt tackle below. So let's see. There he goes, right at the start of that rock. Olive soft tackle perdigon. Nice. Fat boys. Okay. Really beauty. Okay, let me get him out of there. There he goes. That might have been that one. I whacked it on the swing. Okay. Starkey rainbow. Another hit. That's a log or something. There he is. On the swing. Oh, came right out. Good boy. See ya. I'll show you that caddis. Okay. Here's your caddis emerger. Got soft tackle on it, shuck. Just more like a check nymph. Then I got the blue perdigon. And then I got the olive soft tackle perdigon. It's got a little peacock collar on it, silver bead. Okay guys, I'm just walking and casting. There he goes. He is on the blue. Okie dokie. goes on the swing. On the swing. He is on the olive soft tackle. Olive Perdigon soft tackle. Nice boy, nice boy, nice boy. Here we go. Okay. Oh, we're still doing good here, still hooking up. What's that? You got to start using hooks with barbs. Yeah. Yeah, treble hooks. There he goes. Yeah, I catch my last couple fish all on the swing or on the hang. On the swing and the hang? Yeah. This guy's on the blue, I think. Oh, he just got off the blue. He was on the blue. He was hooked on the blue, and now he's on the olive Perdigon soft tackle. I actually saw the slippage, saw it and get off of it. Come on. There you go. Okay. There you go. Oh boy, this is getting deep. There he goes. But there's fishies here. Fishies. Get my net. Okay. Yeah. Brownie. It's a nice brownie. 13-inch brownie. There you go. Okay. There he goes. There he goes. That was in the In the middle of the drift. Haven't had a middle of the drift hit. The blue perdigon, on the blue perdigon. Ooh, nice. Fatter fishy. Fatter fishy. Brownie. Oh, I'm at 13. But definitely fatter. 14. Guys, we are back up here. Actually, we never fished this spot, me and Ryan. The social club was here. There they are over there, the social club. Man. This is on that hare's ear. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, he's off already. I should be able to take him right out. Let him swim right out. Go. There you go. Golly. There he goes. On that hare's ear emerger. Brownie. Brandy, brandy, brownie. Okay, okay, okay. There he goes. Oh, he's a jumping maniac. There you go. Heidi ho. Get him out. he goes. Haven't even tried the waltz today. Wow, just a lot of fishies. Just a lot of fishies up here. Okay, there you go. Everybody, this is called a black putter ball. Foam body. We've seen black caddis and black bugs.
See that big foam piece?
Big what?
Foam. Right there. See where that foam's going? That thing.
There?
No, the thing that's over. She's right
Oh,
there.
the second bud, yeah.
Right in there.
In that foam line.
Yep.
Okay. So Ryan just saw one about 20 feet out here, down a little. So we're gonna try to put it in line. We haven't tried this yet, but local guy John Lazar's ties us up, and they said they've been catching them on it. And like I said, there was a couple different black bugs we've seen here besides the black caddis, a black, I don't even know what these things are that are crawling on us. But is that too far out?
No, that's good.
That's right there. Right there. Around there. Like there's nothing enjoyable about this at all. It really isn't. At this point, just a few more casts and that's it, and I'll do my closing. A few more casts. Oh, look at that!
Nice.
Oh my gosh!
Nice.
That was
Nice.
Guys, I'm telling you, you heard the conversation. It was only going to be a few more casts. We were so frustrated. So frustrated with this wind and no fish. No fish consistently rising. Oh my gosh. Like I said, we didn't care if it was a 6-incher. Brownie. Okay, what a way to close our day.
Even average fish feel strong in this guy.
Oh yeah. And that's a full-on stocky last week. So ugly. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, that is our day up here on the Lackawaxen. It was
Good day, but tough day.
good day, but tough day. It started out slow. Even though I got one, I caught 2 on top, the one got off and landed the first one, but it was slow. And then we decided to kind of commit to going underneath. Once we did that and we changed our spot, we were into a lot of fish today. I mean, Ryan caught a lot of fish today. Lost a lot of fish. But still, we were into, I know between the both of us, we were into 50, 60 fish today. Because I know we easily had 30 fish on. I might have landed more just because I was luckier. But other than that, that's about it. But we were definitely into 30 plus fish each today. And like you saw that last clip, we landed the last one on top with the black putter ball, tied by John Lazar, local fly tyer here. And we started our day, like I said, also with one fish on top. But next day we come back, just got to check the wind, make sure the wind isn't, it was,
The wind was brutal.
yeah, brutal. I mean, we just, Just even with a nymph and rig, it was super tough. But hey, though we had a lot of fun and got into a lot of fish, so you can't beat that. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And when you guys view this, I'll probably be on my vacation out in central PA and then up on the Delaware. So hopefully I'll get this out on YouTube and I'll schedule it ahead of time and for you guys on one of the upcoming Sunday mornings. Okay guys, talk to you later. Bye.